number 8, I'm going to go ahead and work that one out for you too. So I've done number 7 on the last video. This is number 8. All you'll have to do is number 9 for the rest of these, okay? So it's asking us to find point slope form. So again, that's y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Remember, your y, your first y, and your first x always stays the same. So I'm going to have y minus, what's my y1? Well, here's my x and here's my y. So I'm going to use this -2. So minus -2 equals. Now remember, just like in the other video, our slope is this one right here, because this is in y equals mx plus b form. M is our slope, so this is our slope. So we're going to plug in -3/2 in for m. So -3/2. X stays the same, minus, what's my x1? It's 3, so -3. Now I need to make sure that there's nothing I can simplify. There's 2 negatives, so I can make that a positive. So y plus 2 equals -3/2 x minus 3. That will be your answer to 8. Now over here at number 11, okay? First thing that I'm going to do is graph, okay? Because it asks for slope-intercept form. So we're back to using the y equals mx plus b, okay? Remember, m is the slope, b is our y-intercept. Well, it tells us our slope right here. But we need to know our y-intercept. So I'm going to graph 0.40. So this is my x, this is my y. I'm going to go over 4 and up none. Okay? Now, if I know that my slope is a -1, I know my line should be going this way because that's a negative slope. If my line was going this way, that would be a positive. So, since I know I need a negative slope, and my slope is -1, I'm going to go up 1, over 1. And I'm going to keep doing that until I get a point on my y-axis because I need to find my y-intercept. Your y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to go up 1, over 1. Up 1, over 1. Up 1, over 1. So it crosses the y-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 4, it crosses the y-axis. So that would be point 0, 4. So that is my y-intercept. So now I can plug in what I know. Y equals, my slope is -1, x plus b. B is my intercept, my y-intercept, which is 4. Now, you can leave it as this, or you can leave it as y equals just -x plus 4. So your slope is always going to be here. So say you had a fraction, like -1/2. Remember, your slope is rise over run. So that means I'd go up 1, to the left 2. Up 1, to the left 2. Rise over run. And you keep going until you get a point that's on the x-axis. So the y-axis, because it's your y-intercept. So these would be your answer. You can have this one as your answer or that one.